So I'm replacing the top AC unit on our 2010 pop-up. So there's really not too much to this. There's a bottom unit and a top unit. So right here I was removing the bottom unit. There was 4 total screws holding that on. We bought a new bottom unit but didn't end up using it because we didn't need it. We didn't realize that we could have just plugged the old one into the new top unit. So once you get that top part, there's actually 3 more screws inside the vent. One drop down hit me in the eye, of course. So once you get that off, it's really just one plug. I don't know if that's a universal plug that fits all bottom units, but it worked perfectly for ours. But it was also a similar Coleman unit that we were replacing, so I'm not sure if that's a universal fit or not. Ours connected to an exterior 110 plug, so it didn't really require any electrical work. Here you have the 4 bolts that actually hold the top unit to the camper. They're probably about, I don't know, 8 inches long or something. And that's pretty much all there is as far as what's holding the top unit on. And then as soon as I got the top part off, it started raining, of course. So this is the hole that's in the top. I assume it's a standard size square hole for all units. There's really not much to it. I did clean the area around. There's quite a bit of debris that built up there. The unit itself's not heavy. You probably want to get help to do this. I mean, I did it by myself, but that's probably not the smartest thing to do. So I didn't use any sealant or anything. I guess you're not supposed to. It comes with a foam kind of seal that compresses against the top of the camper. So I guess that's why you don't need it. With those 4 bolts, it does compress it pretty tight to prevent any leaks. I didn't use any type of sealant or anything. We'll see how that holds up. So far, so good. And then you just reverse, the process to get it back. So here you'll see me kind of jimmy it because it wasn't lined up perfectly. So I had to kind of scooch it over so the holes would line up. It would have been easier if I had someone on top helping me move it, but. So we ended up going with, the cheapest unit they had at Camping World, and I think it was around $700, and then another $100 for the bottom unit, which I'm gonna have to return. But overall, we took it out this weekend, and it worked great. We're in Florida; it was 100 degrees outside, and we were pretty good. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. It's a pretty easy project. Definitely a DIY.